In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend video duration in CapCut on PC. If you need to give viewers more time to read text on screen, slow down a quick moment, or make a short clip last longer so it fits your voiceover, CapCut gives you two very simple ways to do it. One method extends the video by freezing a single frame, and the other stretches the entire clip by reducing its speed. I'll walk you through both so you can choose the one that works best for your edit. Let's start with the cleanest way to extend a clip without distorting the motion, and that's by holding a specific frame. In your timeline, click once on the video clip so it becomes highlighted. Then move the vertical white playhead to the exact frame you want to pause on. This part matters because CapCut will freeze whatever frame the playhead is sitting on. Once you've chosen the right moment, move your cursor up to the small shortcut toolbar just above the track lanes and click the freeze icon. It looks like a snowflake inside a box. As soon as you do that, CapCut creates a separate turquoise freeze block right in the middle of your video. That block is your freeze frame, and it's a very useful way to add extra time without changing the look of the original shot. To make it longer, hover over the far right edge of the turquoise block until you can grab the handle. Then click, hold, and drag it to the right. Keep stretching it until the frozen section lasts exactly as long as you need. This is especially helpful when you want the visuals to pause naturally while your voiceover continues. Now, if you'd rather extend the duration of the whole clip smoothly instead of freezing one frame, there's another option. Click on the main video clip in the timeline, then look over to the top right Properties panel. Open the Speed tab. Under the normal speed settings, find the times multiplier box, which is usually set to 1.x. Click in that box and change it to 0.5x. The moment you lower it to 0.5x, CapCut stretches the entire clip across the timeline. That means the video plays back in smooth, slow motion, and the total duration becomes twice as long. This is the better choice when you want continuous movement rather than a paused image. And that's it. Using the freeze tool from the shortcut toolbar, stretching the freeze block from its edge handle, or adjusting speed from the right side Properties panel are the easiest ways to extend video duration in CapCut on PC. You're all set. Done.